Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a contact form online. So just you can search for JotForm, and after that here you can see this is official website jotform.com. Then click here sign up with Google. And let me select email.